What is up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial video. For today's topic, I'll be showing you the new update on Siri on the iOS 17 and how you can turn it on. Let us launch the Settings app on your device and then scroll down and tap Siri and search. In here, tap the Listen For option. You can now see the updated Siri before the iOS 17. It needed to say, "Hey Siri," to activate it, but now you have the option to choose a new word, Siri, to activate the request. Note that first, you need to change the Siri language to English, then set again the Siri to your voice to enable this feature. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.